How to install a new app on Samsung Smart Television. I'm going to tell you how to install a new application on your Samsung Smart TV. First, make sure your TV is connected to Wi-Fi. Press the home button on your remote to open the Smart Hub. Then scroll over to Apps and select it. From there, you'll see the Samsung App Store. Use the search icon at the top to look for the app that you want. Type its name using the on-screen keyboard. Once you find it, click on the app, then press install. After it's done, you can either open it right away or go back to your home screen where it'll now be listed under apps. If the app isn't available, it might not be supported on your TV model or region. So double check your location settings, go to General, then System Manager. Some third-party apps can only be sideloaded, but for most official ones, this is all you need. Just install, log in if needed, and you're good to go.